As the temperatures start to drop, it's the perfect time to get your home and yard ready for winter. A few simple steps now can save you from damage, repairs and unwanted surprises once the freezing weather hits. In this video, we can tackle the most important winterizing task, everything from protecting your garden hose and sealing your shed to keep rodents out with the peppermint oil, cleaning leaves and making sure your gutters are flowing properly. These quick, easy DIY steps will keep your home safe, clean and winter ready. Let's jump in and get your place prepared before the cold arrives. Before freezing temperature hit, one of the simplest but most overlooked tasks is protecting your outdoor hoses. A frozen hose can crack, burst and even cause damage to your outdoor faucet. Today I will show you a quick and easy way to winterize your hose so you don't end up replacing them in spring. Let's get your home ready for the cold. Turn off the outdoor faucet, disconnect the hose completely. Drain all water, lift from one end and walk towards the other. Coil loosely and store in a dry shed or garage. Install a faucet cover outside to prevent freeze damage. Check hose washer and replace if cracked. This needs to be turned off for your water line which goes outside to prevent it from freezing. Your home gutters might not be the most exciting part of your home, but they are one of the most important. Clogged gutters can lead to roof leaks, ice dams, and foundation damage once freezing temperature hits. Use a sturdy ladder on level ground. Clean debris using a scoop or gloved hands. Rinse with hose to check water flow. Ensure downspouts are clean and flowing. Install a gutter guard if you want a long-term protection. All the products which I have used, I will leave in the description box for your reference. You can also refer to the video which I have created on the pressure washer which I am using currently. Winter can be tough on shed. Moisture, cold temperature and pests all try to make their way in. If your shed is not sealed and organized before the first frost, you could end up with rusted tools, mold and unwelcome critters. Remove all summer tools and clean debris. Check for gaps around doors, windows, vent, sealed with caulk or weather stripping. Inspect the roof or loose shingles or leak. Elevate tool boxes off the floor. Store gasoline and chemicals in metal or sealed container. Add a moisture absorber pack to prevent mold. As temperature drops, rodent looks for a warm place to hide and your shed, garage or attic becomes prime real estate. Before they settle in, let's use a natural and powerful deterrent, peppermint oil. It's safe, affordable and way easier than setting traps. Choose right driveway marker. Fiberglass or reflective markers work best for visibility. Place them between 6 to 8 feet apart along curves, edges and corners. If the ground is frozen, use a metal rod to make a pilot hole. Push or hammer gently until they are straight and stable. Ideal for a long driveway or areas that get plowed at night, use a reflector marker. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed for more DIY guide.